I said 10 reasons why we feel it's better to convert to a cargo trailer than to buy a travel trailer.
Hi, I'm Rick.
And I'm Sharon. And we have a YouTube channel that we just started about our little cargo conversion that we did here. It's called It's Here, the Cargo Community. When we say It's Here, the Cargo Community, is that when we first started camping in this, there was hardly any other cargo trailers. Now we see them a lot, and this is part of the movement that we see going on, and this is some of what we're filming, and we are documenting, interviewing some of the builders. It's a whole lot of fun, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it is.
So we came up with the top 10 reasons to convert a cargo trailer into a camper. The number one reason to convert to a cargo trailer is the price, of course. You can't beat the price.
Probably the most affordable way to graduate above tent camping. Even teardrops right now are more expensive than doing a cargo conversion.
If you convert your own?
Yeah, even if you convert your own, the teardrop still is more expensive than doing a cargo conversion on your own. And if you don't actually do a full conversion and you want to use a cargo trailer and just kind of semi-finish it to be able to use it camping, it's definitely cheaper than a teardrop, and you've got more space.
We didn't have the cost of the trailer itself. The construction cost was probably around $3,000, maybe a little more, and we keep tweaking here and there, but so it's very affordable for us. So it's doable. I think people can go this route. It's way more cost effective. So that's our number one reason, is cost. Spend less and camp more. That's what we say. It's easier to park.
And one of the reasons is that the size is far more doable than some of these land yachts.
Yes.
And
number three is it's completely custom.
do these things yourself. You're customized. You build it exactly the way you want it to suit your needs. So, we don't have a dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, any of that in this camper, obviously because of the size, but the fact of the matter is most of the camping that we're doing, we're not out there long enough that we require those kind of amenities. We knew that we weren't going to be doing the majority of our cooking inside, so we didn't make the interior kitchen, as far as appliances go and cooking appliances, elaborate. Using basically an outdoor kitchen, and we're using the same appliances for that outdoor kitchen that we can switch over and also use in tent camping if we want to.
A lot of people will have a bathroom. We usually go camping where there's a bathhouse there. If not, in case of emergency, I have my trusty bucket. To some people, that would be unacceptable. Again, you make it custom to what your needs are. You don't want this? I'll take it. Yeah. Number four, lighter to tow.
Necessarily drive white knuckled the whole time when you're on your way to and from your destination, because you're being blown around by the wind and other vehicles on the highway, and you're having difficulty staying in a lane.
Easier to tow, right? It has to cost less money to tow. It has to be less wear and tear on your tow vehicle. The other thing, you don't have to store it somewhere. It stores right in our driveway, in our yard. Number five is it's stealthy. One of my favorite things about this camper is that it doesn't look like a camper. From the outside, it just looks like a work utility trailer, and I love that. We can kind of be incognito if we want to be. And the other thing I really like is when people realize it's a camper and they come in, they just have a wow factor. Number six is cargo trailers are built better.
Trailers are better constructed to begin with than your average travel trailer.
Well,
because these are, generally steel framed or aluminum framed, where a lot of these travel trailers are still wooden framed, and it's very flimsy skin. They don't hold up well. They start to rack themselves apart as they get more and more miles placed on them.
I know this is well built. Of course, I know who built it. Okay, so this is going to be durable. I already know that. 7 is better gas mileage. We can't forget
the gas prices. Gas prices are sky high right now. So towing a lighter vehicle obviously is going to cost you less money in gas to tow. So that is in the list too.
8. You don't need insurance.
One of the considerations in owning a trailer versus a recreational motorhome is that there's no additional insurance involved for the trailer when it's on the highway. The insurance for the trailer is covered by the vehicle that tows it.
Number 9, less obtrusive.
More environmentally friendly as far as it probably gives the roads a little bit of a break because it's lighter. It's not these great big 37, 40 foot trailers, so I would think it would have less impact on traffic in the actual road construction of the material.
More smaller campsites are available is number 10.
More spots. Most campgrounds have more spots that accommodate smaller campers. We actually take this a lot into the tent sites. It's not very big. It fits in there perfectly.
So there you have it, guys. 10 reasons. 10 reasons why we feel it's better to convert to a cargo trailer than to buy a travel trailer. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. There's a little bell up there. Smash on that, and then you will be notified when we put up our next video. Subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. We have lots of videos up. We talk about the whole cargo trailer community, do some tours, interview the builders, and we have some fun. Thank you so much.
There were 4 different campers featured in this video, and I have links to all of them in the description below.